careful for her face.
Here, baby.
Oh, that's so nice of you. Want to build a cow train around her?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Never.
Okay. Oops. Oh!
Best you. Bet me. Bet me.
Oh, be careful. You gotta watch where you're going, okay? Don't want to sit on her head. Let's put your pajamas up on your bed. There we go.
Take me here, baby.
Good, good. Very nice.
Moose.
Mm-hmm.
Moose.
Oh, that moose looks good in the cow train. I think Anna likes it.
Yeah. And I like it.
Mm-hmm.
Big
Oh,
moose.
yeah, look at that face. She loves your cow train.